So today is soap education. I have a couple of soaps here we're going to be using as an example. We are going to be talking about everything about soap. After watching this video from beginning to the ending, you are going to understand what type of soap you should be buying and what type of soap you should not be buying. This video is going to help you to stop wasting your money and to actually get the right soap for your skin and for your skin condition. So we're going to talk about so we're going to talk about everything, how to choose the right soap for you, what time of your skin should you be using a particular soap, and every other thing that we're going to be talking in between. This is an unscripted video. I'm going to be telling you everything I know. Yes, this is like a lecture. Okay, so remember to like, subscribe, and ask your questions in the comment section. I am always here for you. Thank you. I'm super excited to see you here today. Let's begin. So, of every soap I have here today, these soaps look similar. They look like soaps they are going to give you the same result, but they are not going to give you the same result. Now, what is the primary work of a body soap? The primary job of a body soap is just to cleanse your skin from dirt, from dust, oils, and all of those things. That is the primary work of a bathing soap, to cleanse your skin. But aside from that, another thing your body soap can do for you is to target your skin issues. And that is why I am actually making this video. So, because a lot of you on my channel have issues of hyperpigmentation, darkness, you want to brighten and lighten and all of those things. That is why I am using these particular soaps as an example to today's video. So, let's take for example, you want to buy a brightening soap. This is a brightening soap. This is ivory papaya. This is a brightening soap. This is unique 4 season soap. This is a brightening soap. And this is kojic white glitter papaya. This is a brightening soap. But you are going to be making a mistake if you just randomly go and pick any of these soaps without actually knowing what you are looking for. It's either you pick the one that is not going to work for you, or you pick the one that is going to overwork for you, thereby leading you to skin damage. Okay, so let's take for example, you are someone that wants to brighten your skin, but you don't really have serious skin issues. If you get this ivory, depending the cream you are using it with, okay, depending the cream you are using it with, let's take for example, okay, for this example we are going to be using Nivea, because Nivea is actually a you know a normal cream. So let's take for example, you are using a Nivea body lotion and you want to get a brightening soap. Now this is a brightening soap, but pairing this soap with your Nivea body lotion is not going to brighten your skin. It is not going to give you that brightening you are looking for. You can use this soap like 10 packs of it and you have not gotten the results you are looking for. But you are going to be confused and say, but this thing contains papaya, and papaya contains papain, and papain brightens the skin, and papain helps with hyperpigmentation and all of those things. Now, this is when the ingredients come in. Now, when you look at the ingredients list of this thing, it is not clearly stated that this particular soap contains papaya. It is not stated. So anytime you want to pick up a soap, make sure that the picture you are seeing of the ingredients you want to get, make sure it is listed on the soap. For some soaps, they can use papaya fragrance. So because they use papaya fragrance, they are going to write it papaya soap, but it is not contained. Another thing is the papaya they put in it, the papaya extract or whatever it is they put in it, is not enough to brighten your skin. So now that is why you are going to get this soap and it is not going to brighten you. Now, if you get this one, this is unique 4 seasons soap. So if you get this particular soap and use it with your Nivea body lotion, it is going to be absolutely beautiful for your skin. Okay, this is because this particular soap does not just contain one particular brightening ingredient. It contains four. It contains papaya, carrot, tomato, and orange. Now, let me talk a little bit about how to actually pick ingredients if you want that product to work for you, especially for soup. Now, if you want your soup to work for you fast, if you want to know a particular soup that is going to work for you faster than the other, it is a soup that contains multiple brightening ingredients in it. Now, the major difference between this soup and this soup is that this one just says papaya and this one says papaya, carrot, and orange. That is four. And the difference between this soup and this soup is that this one contains kojic, glutathione, papaya, and alpha arbutin. Now, in as much as this contains four, this one contains four. The four this one contains are stronger brightening ingredients. It contains kojic acid, which is a super brightening ingredient. It contains glutathione, which is a super brightening ingredient. It contains alpha arbutin, which is a super brightening ingredient. So the ingredient is the difference. Now, the reason why, if you are just looking to brighten your skin, let's say you are a caramel person and you just want to brighten your skin with your Nivea body lotion, if you get this soap might take you overboard depending how long you use it. Okay, so if you are a caramel skin person, I wouldn't advise you use this soap unless you are using it to spot treat. What is spot treating? For those of you that don't know what is spot treating, spot treatment is when you are going to use your soap to, let's say you have dark elbows, you are just going to take that soap and you are going to apply it that particular place that you have issues. Leave it for some time and rinse it out. That is spot treatment. That is how I usually recommend this particular soap, because this soap is active. So the question is now, this type of soaps, should you not use them? Is it that they are now totally useless and they don't work? No, these soaps work. As you can see, I have them and I use them. How do you use them? Now, let's say you really want to use this kojic acid soap. You really want to use it for your skin. You are not going to use it every day. You are going to use this soap 3 times in a week for your skin. And other days of the day or other days of the week, you are going to use your ivory papaya soap. This is how you are going to use these two soaps, and it is going to work for you. Now, no matter your complexion, whether you are fair, dark, and caramel, if you use this kojic soap alone for a long period of time, you are going to find out that your skin is going to become thin. Your skin is going to start thinning out, because this soap is not, this particular soap or the likes of it, they are not meant to be used for a long term. Now, when it comes to soap, there are categories of soaps. There are soaps that are treatment soaps. This soap is a treatment soap. You have hyperpigmentation. You have been darkened. You have been darkened by the sun. Okay, you are now very dark. You can get this soap, but when you get this soap, make sure you are not using it alone. You can use your ivory soap in the morning and then use your kojic soap at night. Let's say like your skin is now very dark and you need fast action. You can use your kojic soap every day, but once a day. The next time you use your ivory soap, do not use your kojic soap morning and night. You are going to run into skin damage on the long run. And a quick thing also I want to say is, anything that contains kojic, whether in soap form or in lotion form, you are not supposed to use it past 3 months. Okay, if you have used your kojic up to 3 months, you are going to keep it. Allow your skin to rest. Allow your skin to, start using moisturizing things, nourishing products. Give your skin time. okay, before you go back to your Kojic product. This is why a lot of people use all these products and run into skin damage. There are some skincare ingredients you're not supposed to be using every month, every month, every month. Kojic is one of them. So soaps like this and the likes of it are for naturally fair people that are not looking to brighten their skin. They just need a good soap to wash their body every morning and every night. They are not interested in brightening, they are not clearing pigmentation and all of those things. Those are the people that can use this soap and not complain. But and also caramel skin people or dark skin people that don't have any pigmentation they are treating on their body. You're not treating dark spots, you're not treating anything. You can use this soap. But if you're a caramel person and you need something that will like brighten up your skin a bit, you are going to get something like Unique. Something that doesn't contain kojic acid, something that doesn't contain glutathione, something that doesn't contain alpha arbutin, but something that contain multiple antioxidants. Okay, so even if it is not this one, you can get a soap that contains papaya, carrot, and turmeric. Make sure that it contains more than 3 brightening natural ingredients. Any soap that contains just one brightening ingredient is not going to give you the result you are looking for. Okay? Yes. Make sure it is up to 2 or up to 3 for you to get the result you are looking for. So, so if you have a soap you are using that you want to know where that soap falls in, whether it is brightening, not brightening, or super brightening, let me know the name of this name. Let me know the name of the soap and the ingredients it contains in the comment section. Then I'm going to tell you if that soap is actually going to do for you what you are looking for from your skin. But I hope that after watching this video, you have gotten a little knowledge that is going to guide you for your next soap purchase. Okay, so make sure if you are looking for something that is going to brighten you, it contains 2 to 3 brightening ingredients. If you are looking for something that is going to target dark spots on your body, target dark areas on your body, look for a soap also that contains 2 to 3 super brightening ingredients, the likes of kojic and alpha arbutin and glutathione and all of those things. And also know that there are some ingredients that are more powerful than the other depending on what you want. But if you choose to go for those very powerful ingredients like the ones contained in this kojic white soap, remember how I said you should use it. Don't overuse it to avoid skin damage. In as much as your bathing soap is a rinse out product, it still has effect, and that is how it is going to treat that your skin issues. Okay, the effect does not come very sharply like your body lotion because you leave it on your skin, but when it comes, it is going to come. And make sure when using this particular product, you are not also using it with a super brightening body lotion or even a lightening lotion. If you are pairing this soap with a lightening lotion, lotions that contain kojic, lotions that contain all of those things, you are heading to skin damage. Even if you have not seen it now, if you use it for a long period of time, you are going to start seeing that your skin is not going to be looking healthy again. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about it, and I'm going to see you on our next one. Thank you for joining me. I'm so glad that you clicked today's video. Thank you.